Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can know if someone restricted you in Messenger. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Messenger and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the chats section, people, and right here you're going to find your stories. So right now, I'm going to go back to chats. And here in chats, you're going to find all of your conversations. And right here in the top, you're going to find your notes and also your friends' notes. So basically, guys, if someone has restricted you in Messenger, there is no way to find out if he restricted you. The only way you can find out is if someone has blocked you. Because if someone has blocked you, you won't able to see their Facebook profile. So basically, guys, if you want to know if someone has blocked you, just go ahead and click on the sandwich icon in the top left corner. Once you do that, you're going to be right here. You're going to find chats, marketplace, message requests, and lastly, archive. In the top, you can click on the gear icon to access your settings. And then once you're here, you can scroll down until you find accounts. And here you're going to find manage account. Click on it. And then right here, you can click on add account. Go ahead and create or log into another account. And then just log in with the other account and search for the person you suspect has blocked you. And then see if you find their Facebook profile. If you did find his Facebook profile, that means that he blocked you. And if you didn't find his Facebook profile, that means that he just deleted his account or changed his account. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.